Hello guys, this is a new kit for Land Cruiser LC200 to 300 conversion. You can see it's already coming with the rear glass trims, the new shape. This is the cover for the over the radiator for petrol version. And what is very important, these are the body parts which require your rear fender cutting. This is the stencil, how to cut it according to your body exactly. Just glue it to the car, then you know how to trim. And then you can put correct shape of the tail lights, because this is the tail lights like OEM look, so you don't need to put that cover underneath on the exterior tail lights. No need to add that spacing. The LED fog lamps of course included. It's already equipped with the side steps. Roof rails are optional if you want to have it. Then definitely you can add original logos to it, the door moldings, and then the GR style grille. You can have the genuine logo with it. Okay, these are the VXR look trims for the rear and front bumpers. Side steps. Then you have a lip spoilers, mirrors. We have a chromed mirrors or white mirrors or black. Depends on the color you need. This is the lip spoilers. And there are some additional cover. This is the cover for the trunk door. This is the trunk door itself. Front fenders, hood, front and rear bumpers. You can have the genuine bumper on the top. If you want to change it, we can switch to original one anytime when you want it. Mud flaps. These are the fender extensions as well. With the basic conversion, you don't have it. This one already included.